Alright guys, I'm back here, and what I discovered is that there's these little slots here, I think that's what they call them, and you're able to sort of stick this on. Well, it's hard to do. You sort of press in here, and then now you can clip this camera on whatever you want, like that. But also it comes with this little stand thing here, and so you could also sort of clip it onto here like this, and then unfortunately it does not come, looks like, with screws, but if you have your own screws you could screw it onto something, and then it makes it easy for you to install, like take it off and then put it back on. And I'm guessing that this is probably easy for you to be able to connect it up to your planes as well with this. Hopefully this won't damage the styrofoam, but it could, so this may or may not work, so we'll see. But yeah, hope this extra information can be helpful for you guys. This thing is able to rotate 360 degrees, and so if mounted wherever you want, it could give you some good results. What I don't like about it so far is that you can't push it further than this. So if you wanted to have a straight shot, you'd have to attach it like this, and you'd only get about a, like, I'm not even sure if it's 45-degree angle going downward. If you do it the other way, you could do it like this. So you'd attach it here, but still, I mean, you'd be getting a little bit of the sky, but you wouldn't be getting anything going that way. So it really depends on what you want to do with it, and it's somewhat limited in the rotation. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.